Hi, this is Supreet. Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox a new industry standard microphone. This is the thing. Can I unbox? Yeah. Now here's the microphone, and this is an industry standard LM100 microphone, the model number. We can use this for smartphones, camcorders, and PCs, DSLRs, devices that will work. This is the country origin in China, and import. This was manufactured in August 2018. The MRP of this microphone is 2000 rupees. So let's open. Yeah, we can also connect this to an amplifier like a Hoja amplifiers and all. An extra battery is given and a neck support. A sponge is this, a neck support. This is the microphone. The box is as strong as a mobile thing. There's a manual. A synthetic pouch is being given. Inside there's an extra sponge. This wire is nearly 20 feet long. If I extend, there's going to be more than 20 feet. You can add an extra battery in this. Already one battery is being kept in. That's a built-in. Let's come out though. If we read the manual correctly, and we can find many things. Omnidirectional microphones, this is a battery component, compartment, and also this. There's a switch over here. So this says that in on it means the DSLR cameras and all. In off mode it means of laptops and smartphones. Also tablets this can work, but we can't shoot with tablets. And in this the many specifications is being given on off, how to keep it, and the frequency of the voice. This can be of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Yeah, and another thing, many people thought this is completely connected, but no. There's also 3.5mm headphone jack. That's a plus point. And now, here it shows that for video shooting, presentation and interviews, but I don't understand one thing, that why it's mentioned as selfie. So this is the complete microphone tour. It's not something cute. So this is the tour. And that was the video. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, also you can dislike, but tell the reason please. And comment down in the comment section so that you know why you didn't like it. Thank you.